I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by booting into Windows now, open Settings, then Recovery if needed, and make a recovery USB so you can restore boot files. Next, press Win+X and open Disk Management to see partitions. This is essential because you will delete the other OS partition, not the Windows one. Make sure to check UEFI/BIOS boot order so Windows Boot Manager is primary. Once done, close apps and confirm your backup. We move directly into removing the other system. You now remove the foreign OS partitions, open Disk Management, identify the non-Windows partitions by size and label, then right-click and delete volume. If Windows blocks deletion, boot the recovery USB and run diskpart. List disk, select disk X, list partition, select partition Y, and delete partition. Be careful, deleting the wrong partition breaks Windows. Once partitions are removed, format or extend your Windows partition into the freed space, or finish by restoring a clean Windows boot environment. If the other OS modified the bootloader, run bcd-boot/Windows to rewrite boot files, or use the recovery USB automatic repair. Then open msconfig and remove any non-Windows entries or delete leftover UEFI entries in BIOS. Reboot and confirm Windows starts normally and reclaim the freed space as needed. If things go wrong, use the recovery command prompt and run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/rebuild to rebuild the Windows bootloader. That typically resolves startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.